I don't know what is happening. I think for some reason we are only like streaming to YouTube. Uh,
Is it?
yeah, I don't think I would probably ask Lucas if he reached out to the restroom folks about the upgrade because I think
Okay.
what we have is a yearly plan or something, and I think we already run out of the plan.
Oh yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Sorry, I'm showing on Slack that the meeting has started. Yeah, I mean, I just have to ask Mukash after the call, unable to
Okay.
stream. This is
Is it
interesting.
saying enable?
It's saying unable to stream to customs.
Okay.
Let me check YouTube if it is actually streaming to YouTube. Okay, it's streaming to YouTube.
So
Okay.
maybe there is something to do with because if it's streaming on YouTube, then it is working, right?
Yeah, but I don't think with other channels, it's definitely not. Okay, I just turned on LinkedIn. Let's see.
Yeah. Okay. Yep. Yeah, it's working.
LinkedIn or Twitter.
Yes. I turn on LinkedIn and Twitch right now.
Oh, now it's working. Interesting.
Somebody is. Yeah, you. Are you still on weekend? Somebody's
I
still
have
on
no clue.
weekend.
No, well before I started the stream, so I tried like turning the LinkedIn and Twitter on, but the toggle didn't turn on for some reason. So maybe because I started the stream, that was why it's working all of a sudden, or maybe I'm still enjoying the weekend. I think I saw Maya join down.
Yeah, she just joined it. Hey, Maya.
I think she's gone. Let's check it's bad. So we're gonna have to wait for a few minutes, say 5 minutes on the
Okay.
edge to see if others are gonna join.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Hello, Maya.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Nice seeing you here.
Yeah, same here. Hello, Tuli. Good morning.
I think Tilly is taking a 5 minute break.
Oh, okay.
Okay, 1 more minute before the stream starts. Before we start, uh, so let's see if anyone else is gonna join in 1 minute. Okay. 5 minutes up. I believe we should get started. Good morning, folks. I'm Ace. I'm your host for today's community meeting. Just to confirm, Maya, I'm audible.
Yes, you are.
Okay, perfect. So I'm your host for today's community meeting. I'm Ace, and I love hosting community meetings, which is funny. Yeah. So I have with me here, live, Tuli and Maya. Say hi, Maya.
Hello. Hi.
Tuli, you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. So live stream started already. So I don't have a lot on my agenda today. But I just have some things to just go through and probably some questions to ask Tuli about the conference that is happening. So without no further ado, I believe we should get started. So the first thing I want to touch on is actually the mentorship program. So I mean, in the last community call, I probably mentioned wrapping up the first evaluation phase of the mentorship program and how we got remarkable evaluations from the mentees and the mentors. So we already started the uh, second. I mean, we didn't start the second evaluation, but we've ended the first evaluation, which means mentees have already continued working towards the second evaluation phase, which will be happening next month probably. And yeah, so if you're a mentee in the Escape and Mentorship program, I got your feedbacks, and I promise you, all your feedbacks will be implemented concerning your mentors. I probably shared these feedbacks with your mentors, and I believe they're gonna improve um with what it is that you need, right? They're gonna work on it. So second evaluation, folks. I said second evaluation is being worked towards now. A lot of nice contributions going on. And yeah, I mean that's just a little update I have about the mentorship program. So there's one thing I want to like lay emphasis on concerning the mentorship program. So if you are currently participating in the mentorship program, I would definitely advise you to kind of stay away from the bounty program, right? So I wouldn't say stay away from the bounty program, but you wouldn't be priority, right? Because as you all know, the bounty program, we get to pick the based on priority, that's maintenance first and stuff like that. So if you're currently participating in the mentorship program, I mean, we would not prioritize you in picking up bounty issues. So please, if you're participating, please stay away from the mentors, the bouncy program, right? I wouldn't say stay away, but at least you know what I mean. Don't allow folks to like pick these issues first, right? We would not prioritize picking you if you're currently in the mentorship program. So just putting that out there for folks participating in the mentorship program. yeah, so that is it about the mentorship program. And yeah, October 1st has ended. And like I said earlier, that I would probably have an article about the participation, the participation in October 1st. So like we promised, the top contributors in the October 1st would be receiving will be getting a swag, right? So would probably release the list of top contributors for October 1st this week. So if you find yourself on this list, please kindly reach out to me, write to me. So I'm gonna share on GitHub also. I'm gonna publish the list. Please write to me concerning the swag and how you're gonna probably get it. And talking about swag, like we all like I don't think we yes, I think we in the last community call, Mukash announced the Async API swag store. So I'm gonna share the link on YouTube. Yeah, so the Async API swag store is now live and ready. So if you want to look get some of our exclusive swags, I'll probably tell you, I mean, this is the best place to go. Just go out there and use that card you have to purchase some really nice swags, right? So talking about swags, like we promised in the mentorship program, the folks participating in the mentorship program would get swags. So last year we were supposed to give swags to the folks that participated in the first mentorship program, but yeah, we are still going to give that swag out, right? So if you participated in a single mentorship program last year, you are expected to get some swags from Async API. And if you go to the mentorship, I'm going to share my screen. So if you go to the swag store, let's see. Can you see my screen, Tuli?
Yes.
Okay, nice. So this is the swag store. Really nice place to be. If you look at the swag store, you can see we have three categories. We have the ambassador, we have the mentee, and we have the mentor. So as a mentee participating in the Async API mentorship program, so you would get this swag collection, the one that has mentee. So when I click on it, you can see the mentee swag. So you're currently seeing the price in my own currency. So you can easily change the countries as region just to change the currency. So you are not paying to get the mentee kit. So you'll be getting this mentee kit as a participant of the Async API mentorship program. So I mean that's nothing as cool as that. So past mentees would be getting this swag, and also current mentees would also be getting this swag at the end of this current Async API mentorship program. So one thing is that I still find so I would really love to know your thoughts about this, Tuli and Maya. And also if you're watching this live stream later, if you have any opinion, please feel free to share with me on Slack. Talking about mentees, do you think we should also consider giving mentees that participated in Google Summer of Code and Google Season of Dogs swags? I mean, I feel initially I'm not being biased, okay? I thought like to myself, okay, I mean, it would only be good if we give like mentees that participated in the Async API mentorship program swags. But then I think about it and I'm like, I mean, folks that participated in Google Season of Dogs and Google Summer of Code are also mentees, right? I mean, they worked on Async API project. I mean, I think they deserve some swag, because according to Barbano thinks we should give them swags also, since they're also mentees. But I actually kind of counter the argument, and I thought, okay, it would be better to just bring it to the public during community call to see what you all like think about it. Actually,
Okay. I mean, like GSOC and GSOC folks are not getting swags from Google, right? So why shouldn't they get swags from Async API? I mean,
I don't think they're getting swag from Google.
yes.
They're not.
So yeah, so why shouldn't we like say, hey, thank you for participating in Async API mentorship, even though it's under Google's Sum of Code or Google Season of Dogs, but this is a thank you. I mean, it makes sense. Like they're all mentees. Async API mentorship mentees, Google Summer of Dogs mentees, Google Summer of Code mentees are still Async API mentees. I mean,
Yeah,
I don't know.
I support that too.
Yeah, so it wouldn't be fair if like we're giving only the Async API mentees swags without giving the rest of the mentees swags. Then that won't be fair.
Okay. I mean, I definitely agree with Barbanos for she actually have the same opinion as you all did, as you all do rather. So I was just thinking. I mean, we have the Sync swag. I was thinking it should probably be for the Sync mentorship program. But now the way you put it, they are not also like getting swag from Google Season of Dogs or Google Season of Code. Why not just also like give them the swag as a form of appreciation? I mean, if you look at it, right, I don't see it being different from the Sync mentorship program because it's probably still the same community, right, and the same project. Okay, thanks for sharing your opinion. I'll probably get back to Barbados. But if you're watching this live stream later and you have like other thoughts, please feel free to share with me. If you think we should give them these swags, if you think we shouldn't, I mean, I think it would also like be better if we have a poll. Or what do you think, Toli? Like a vote?
Oh yeah, like a community vote to say, hey, do you think all mentees under 3 different programs get swags? But really, honestly, Ace, there's no debate about it. If Hacktoberfest contributors are getting swags, what about the other mentees? It doesn't make sense. This is not
I
up for
mean,
debate or voting. I think it makes
mean,
sense.
Oktoberfest contributors, like we are not giving all Oktoberfest contributors swags. We're only giving top contributors swag. I mean, and the swag we are giving Oktoberfest folks would not, I mean, it's really lesser than what the mentees are getting. Oktoberfest folks can only t-shirts, right?
But still, it is the same thing, Ace, that I'm saying. They're dedicating, okay, like for example, GSOD, right? They're dedicating about 6 months, like working on the Async API docs. And let's talk about GSOC. They're spending time working on the project, right? This is just a thank you gift to say, hey, thank you so much for dedicating your time, even though they are getting a stipend at the end of the month, at the end of the program, but still it's just a thank you gift. It's the same thing with the Async API mentees from the mentorship program. It's the same thing. So there is no difference. The only difference is that there is just subcategories of different programs that they are participating, but as a collective they are all mentees, so they all deserve a mentee kit. That's my opinion. I don't know. I don't know. Honestly, let's not be biased. Let's not be biased, honestly speaking. There's no saying, okay, if I'm participating in GSOC, I don't deserve swag. No, every mentee that is participating in the Async API mentorship program is eligible to get swag. It doesn't matter if it's GSOC or I don't know. It doesn't matter. If someone contributed to Hacktoberfest and they have top contributions are getting maybe a t-shirt, then why not the mentees? I mean, honestly, that's my opinion anyway, but I feel like there's nothing to debate about your voting about it. But if people want to vote, they can go ahead and vote, but there is no way that they are not eligible to get swag.
Yeah, I don't understand like where you're coming from, Tuli. Yeah, you shared your opinion, like, and your opinion really like matches with what Barbanos thinks, and my opinion seems different. I mean, so it would be better if we just like have all TSA members, get involved in this discussion, and probably like I would definitely prefer a vote, even though I know where the vote is probably going to like end. So just to like everyone is like all in on this, then I think that should be the next route to go. So I probably create a discussion after this community call and tag all TSC members to share their opinion. Simply because I think, I mean, which means we would have to like or I mean, it's looking at it from this angle, right? Folks participating in Google Summer of Code and Google Season of Dogs aren't that much, right? I mean, like we have like 3 folks or 4 folks participating in Google Summer of Code and Google Season of Dogs. I mean, I don't know how many. But yeah, I will leave it to other community members. Maya, you want to say something earlier?
Yeah, I was just supporting the opinion that it deserves the swag. So since we all worked on the Async API project, so I support it.
Nice. So which basically means if you're supporting giving all mentees swag, then all mentors also should be given swag, irrespective of the program category.
You mean the GSOG and
GSOG mentorship mentors.
Okay. I see where this is coming from now. So is this about the mentors or the mentees? Okay, I see where this is coming from. Okay, yeah, because so it's not about the mentor swags, it's about the mentor swags, right?
I mean, like, if you look at it that way, because if you're saying, okay, all mentees should get swag, I mean, like, then all mentors should also get swag, because initially, if you are giving only mentors that participated in the Singapore mentorship program swag, then what of the mentors that participated in Google Season of Dogs, Google Summer of Code? Are we not going to get them swags?
Okay, so the issue here is about the mentor swags, right? It's not about the mentee swags. Okay, I mean,
it's also about the we just have to be equal, right?
Yes, I understand what he's saying. So if it's about the mentor swags, okay, fair and fine. Did we have a discussion about giving mentor swags first and foremost? Was there a discussion about mentors getting swags?
Yes, there is. I mean, not a public discussion yet, but I mean, mentors deserve swag. I mean, like from the Singapore mentorship program, I believe, yeah, if mentors definitely deserve swag. I mean, we are not giving them anything back in return, especially mentors that are like not within the project, or they have to like work with the mentee based on their just using their free time. I mean, giving them swag would be a way to like appreciate their efforts, right? But the same thing also applies to mentors in Google Summer of Code.
Yes, it does make sense. I do understand where you're coming from. And yes, they do deserve like a mentor swag. Honestly, it is only fair to say, hey, thank you so much for mentoring the mentees, for taking time out. I mean, mentors, they're not getting paid. If your argument was like saying, okay, mentees are getting paid, mentors are not getting paid, and they deserve swag, maybe your argument might have some substance, but yeah, it's a tricky one. If you had put it like that to say, okay, since mentees are getting paid and mentors aren't, so mentors are the ones who deserve swags than mentees, yes, I will definitely agree with you on that. But yeah, okay, let's open it public discussions, put everything there, and let's hear what other people say. But yeah, if mentors do deserve a kit as well.
Okay, I mean that would be the right direction to go. I would probably start a public discussion about this and tag all TSC members. Yeah, so everyone would probably have 1 or 2 things to like say, right? Yeah, so that would be what I'm gonna do. So if you're watching this live stream later and you're really interested in the discussion, please reach out to me. If you have any opinion, if you also want to share your opinion anonymously, you can also like do that. just reach out to me. I promise I won't mention your name. So yeah, I mean that about what I have to say about the mentorship program. I mean with the swags related. Yeah, so but if you're currently participating in the mentorship program, it's okay, a mentorship program, you're definitely getting swags. So if you participated last year, you're getting swag also. So just stay tuned. And also at the end of this community Ezekiel mentorship program, unlike last year where we didn't have certificates involved, now there will be a certificate of completion for participating in the Ezekiel mentorship program, right? Something you can probably add to your portfolio, your LinkedIn, something, and that would be signed by Wokash. So yeah, currently working on some design for the certificates to make it look nice. So once it's ready, at the end of this mentorship program, yeah, participants are getting certificate of completion. So if that makes you happy, I mean, you're like most of you are like initially requested for that. So we are putting it in place and you're getting it. So that's everything I have to share about the mentorship program. Another thing I wanted to touch in is, I mean, Tuli already published some community goals for next year. I mean, I don't know if you're gonna touch on that during this call, Tuli.
Not yet. Not yet. But yeah,
Okay.
it will be not yet.
Not yet. Okay, it's still a work in progress.
Not
okay.
yet. It's a work in progress. It's coming, but not yet.
Okay, nice.
Maybe,
so I just want to
but it can be this
continue.
week, but yeah.
Okay, nice. I would love to like have you like mention it. I'm doing one of these community calls, probably in upcoming community call.
Yeah.
So one thing I wanted to mention out of the goals I'm totally have is the plan to like extend the ambassador program.
Hey,
right?
hey, don't mess my babble, okay?
No, that's just the reason I mentioned. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Next time I'm not telling you anything.
Okay. I'm gonna have to skip that one, folks. So I'm not sharing anymore. So you all just have to wait for Tuli to like do our thing. I just wanted to like touch on something before in one of the goals, but I think I would just have to wait for the official like I wouldn't say announcement, but the official explanation from Tuli. So she can like go through everything. Then from there I can definitely open and like say what it is I wanted to share about that specific goal. Okay, shut up. Sorry. So the next thing, I mean, before the next thing, I'm telling you, do you have anything you want to talk about?
Let me see. Yeah, okay. Bengaluru is coming up on the 30th of November. Tickets are available. We have free tickets. So I'll be there. Lucas is there. Ace is not gonna be there, unfortunately.
I mean, not yet. You can't say something might change.
Something might change. Okay, Ace is still on pending then.
Pending, yeah.
So Ace is still pending, so we hope to see you. I hope to see you in person. I'm in Bengaluru. The agenda is also out, so you can check out like what the day will hold. Okay, let me quickly share the link. So make sure you get your tickets. We hope to see you there on the 30th of November.
Okay, this is the agenda. Oh, nice. Tuli is opening the talks.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm concerning Bengaluru. Tuli. Would there be any travel assistance? I mean, for folks that are probably like within India that are trying to like make it to the conference?
Unfortunately this year, we won't be able to like assist anybody with travel funding, but we're hoping things will change next year. Oh, yeah, we're hoping things will change next year. So unfortunately this year that won't be possible, but yeah, we will be working towards to make sure that next year make sure everybody like has a nice experience, like to travel to conferences despite of any financial struggles. So yeah. But tickets are free, so that's a bonus. So tickets are available for free, so you don't have to worry like, oh, do I need to pay for the tickets? No, we have free tickets available. Just make sure you click on the get your tickets button, add your name on the Open Collective, then we'll see you on the day of the event. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Let me share the link on YouTube.
Mhm.
Yes, so that is the link for Bangalore. Happening later this month. I mean, like if you, in case I don't make it to Bangalore, I really advise folks that are closer to the location to attend and meet Tuli in person, and also give her flowers for all the amazing stuff she has been doing. Because I know she's not done yet. So meet Tuli in person if you can, and have a nice conference. I think the next community meeting would probably be before the conference, I think.
Yes.
Before the conference. Okay, yeah. Oh, nice. We're still gonna meet before the conference. And yeah, I'm looking forward to like would the conference be live streamed or would it be strictly private?
No,
Just
it
in case
won't be live
folks
streamed, I think.
that won't make it.
Yeah. No, it
Okay.
won't be live streamed from anything that I know of, but things can change. So don't take my word for it. Just let's wait like until the last week of the month. Maybe things will change, but so far, it won't be live streamed. But maybe recorded. I'm not sure. I'm not certain, but yeah. Let's hope.
Okay. Okay, let's hope. So if you are in India, I would really, I mean, if you're part of the skipper community and you are in India, I would really encourage you to like, I'll make it to Bangalore, because you would get to like meet amazing folks that have been doing amazing stuff within the community. So yeah, I mean, and also like you probably get some swags, I hope. Because I mean, like I love going to conferences because of swag. But yeah. So let's see if we have anything. What of Paris? Anything?
Oh yeah. Okay, so Paris, just I'm gonna make an announcement like later this week, definitely maybe on Thursday or Wednesday, between those 2 days. Paris, we have free tickets for the community, so I'll just detail out everything. The agenda by next week, we'll have the agenda on the website. We'll have all the details on the website. So it's coming up, but yeah, later this week, I'm just gonna detail everything like the tickets, how do you get the free tickets to Paris, and what is the redemption code, what to expect. But yeah, Paris also, we have free tickets for the community, so make sure you go there, enjoy, and thank you to the organizers for API days, because we have full access to all 3 days. So everybody in the community gets to like enjoy the full API days experience from day 1, day 2 until day 3 for the Async API conference. So make sure you go to Paris, have fun, interact with the maintainers, with the community, and we have exciting stuff coming up on those 3 days for the Async API community. So V3 is coming up as well. So make sure you use this exciting opportunity like to go and learn more, speak to the maintainers, ask questions about the community. What do we have in 2024? So make sure just go there, redeem your free ticket, and yeah, enjoy Paris. Me and Ace will be here. Me and Ace will be here.
There, would Paris be live streamed?
No, I don't think so. I'm not sure. Also, I don't think it'll be live streamed like the other API days, but I think it might be recorded.
Okay.
but definitely not live streamed. Yeah.
Oh, nice. I would really love to like see the announcement for Victory go live during API days, the API conference in Paris. But yeah, I mean I can always catch the recording. Okay, let's see, do I have anything? Maya, is there anything you wanna share?
No.
Okay, so let's see if I have anything else.
Oh, code
Okay.
of conduct.
Code of conduct.
Code of conduct. Yeah, congratulations to Sergio, Ace, and Barbano.
What?
They are
Yes.
the first. Yes, you. Is your
I
name
made
not
it.
Ace? You made it. Yes.
Oh, nice. Oh,
Stop
nice.
crazy.
Look who made it.
Now the real work. Yes, you made it. All right, I'm gonna share a link, right? So congratulations to Barbano, Ace, and Sergio for being the first code of conduct committee at Async API. We look forward to the lovely work that you're gonna do. And yeah, the work begins now. I can't wait to see the code of conduct that you're gonna write and come up with. Yeah. Anyway, I did all the work, so it's gonna be easy. I'm just joking. So yeah, so I just want to say congratulations. So finally we have the code of conduct committee, so they'll be like in charge of making sure people stay in line in the community. They're like the community police officers,
Yes,
right?
I get
The
to
law
arrest you.
enforcers. Yes, the law enforcers, right? So
You break the
so yeah,
law.
they're just
You face
here.
the wrath of the law.
So they're just here to make sure that the community is safe. People are following the code of conduct, be it in conferences, be it in the community. We just want to make sure that it's a safe environment for everybody. The community is inclusive, and they will be your go-to persons if there's any problem. Like, let's say maybe Tuli was rude to you. Just make sure like you write to them. So everything like will be detailed down on the code of conduct. They will be in charge of updating and writing and doing everything. So I can't wait for the final work to be done. So I'm so excited that the first part has been done, and kudos to everybody that participated and voted. We have amazing individuals that are in charge. We know that the committee is in safe hands. So yeah, congratulations. Yay.
So I should probably reach out to the rest of the officers, my fellow colleagues.
Yes.
So we have a really nice police enforcement discussion. Now I'm talking about code of conduct. If you totally said we are the police of the community, you should also know we are not also above the law, right? So if it did something that is concerning, you can definitely report. It's not because you think, oh, hey, this is just like part of the code of conduct committee. I can't report him. No, you can actually report Ace. You can report me to code of conduct fellows. You can report me to Barbados. You can report me to Sagrio. I mean, so it also works. We are also not above the rules and regulation. We are only there to serve you folks. So yeah, if you think I'm not doing my job or as a code of conduct committee, you can definitely get me fired.
Yes. Yes, we'll also have like supporting code of conduct members as well. So everything will be detailed on the code of conduct itself that is going to be rewritten. So like I said, nobody's above the law. If Ace did something, you can reach to the other committee members. If you feel like they're not doing the work done, they're not getting the work done, then we have other supporting members that are there like as an alternative. You feel like the main committee is not doing anything, we have supporting committee. Even though if you feel like, okay, the whole committee is not doing anything about it, we also have TSC members. Reach out to any TSC member on the community that you trust and feel safe to speak to, then we'll get it resolved. Yes. So Yeah, I'm so excited that we finally have this done. We have a committee. And yeah, I think it will run, is it 2 years? So the tenure will be rotated like every 2 years. So everybody still gets an opportunity if you want to be like, oh, I also want to be part of the Code of Conduct Committee. But yeah, so after 2 years, then we'll revisit everything, then we rerun the vote, then we induct new Code of Conduct committees. Yeah. But I'm super excited about this.
Yeah, same as I am. So I didn't have anything else on my agenda. Thanks for sharing the update about the code of conduct today. So yeah, I mean, so without no further ado, I think that would be the end of today's discussion. So if you're watching this live
Yeah.
stream later and you have any question, be code of conduct or is it a mentorship program or any of these things we've touched earlier today, feel free to reach out to Tuli or me on Slack. So would also be willing to like answer your questions. And that would be all for today, folks. Tuli, thanks for joining in live. So I don't feel alone. Maya, I really appreciate you joining live today, and I hope to see you folks in the next community call. Uh, that will be all from today. For today. Bye, folks.
Bye.